Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Enjoyable Kitchen. So in this video I am going to share milk powder peda recipe. Let's get started. So firstly we will heat a kadai and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let it melt and turn the flame off. And add half cup of milk. Mix it nicely and then add a pinch of saffron, that is kesar. Mix it well and then add powdered sugar. Mix it well and then add milk powder and mix it really well. Add in batches, otherwise then it will form lumps. Then turn the flame on and cook on medium to low flame till it turns out to be a thick paste or a dough type mixture. It will hardly take around 4 to 5 minutes. Now at this stage add a pinch of cardamom powder, that is elaichi powder. Mix it well. Now turn the flame off and immediately remove it in a bowl and let it cool nicely. Now you can see it has formed a dough type mixture. So now apply ghee or oil on your palms and take a small portion of the mixture and roll it into small balls. Then press it a little and gently press in the center and garnish with almonds or pistachio. And it's ready. Enjoy! If you like the recipe, then do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.